Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is attention, meaning and different types. What do you mean by attention? A concept of attention study is cognitive psychology with the focus on the explain how we process the environment information with the help of our sensory repertoire. The term of attention is used for various perceptual process which involves selection and inclusion of the certain sensory input as a part of the conscious experience. The process of attention involves the very act of the listening and the concerning of the specified objective, topic or event for the fulfillment at the desired goal. Attention is a process which does not only involve focusing and of the converting on the thing, but is equally concerned about the ignoring and the competing stimulus and the information which is the help of the environment. Attention improve our concentration and consequence as a selective subject only, which help improving the clarity of focus on the objective in the brain of perceiving. Detecting the source of sensory and cue and the signal in the generate of attention. The effect of the sensory cues and signal on the training properties of sensory nervous in the of the relationship between the attention and other behavioral cognitive processes like working memory and vigilance. Selective attention and visual attention. In cognitive psychological are there at least two models which are describe how visual attention and operate. Spotlight model, zoom lens model. Generally speak, visual attention through the operate as two stage in process. In the first stage, attention is the distribute informally over the external visual scene and the processing of information is performed in parallel. In the second stage, attention is the constructed in the specified area to the visual scene in the focus and processing in the performing a serial fashion. Few crucial points related to the attention. Attention is a limited term of duration and the capability and capacity. It is a form this limitation the multitasking hardly bear productivity result because of the limited attention capacity. The process of attention are involving selecting attending to certain specified variable which are the filtering out of the less relevant of the various other variable. Attention is a key component of our cognitive system which are the start right from the stage of birth. Attention types, different types of attention. First, sustained attention. It is the ability to pay attention to only one task of the consistently contracting on the task only for a long time enough and by avoiding all other form of the distraction of the deviation. The kind of attention required to a good deal of focus as well determination of the being able to the contracted with the given tasks in the keeping way to all distraction. Selective attention in case the listener choose to pay attention to only a specified stimulus which is the present of the environment will ignoring the other stimulus. The kind of attention does not depend on the stimulus but depend essential on the attractive and attentive capability of the observer. Dividing attention in case dividing attention the use pay attention in two and more tasks at the same time and also sometimes regarded as multitasking which involve in the juggling between the two and more than two tasks at the same time. Example, and could a testing in somebody will attending a meeting and dividing attention are usually mental focus a very large scale. Hence, because of dividing attention, our user may get the executed very quickly. Alternative attention through this attention can be closely related to the dividing attention, but is a different as in case dividing attention by split or attention between the two tasks. Will in case of alternative attention the entire attention is shifting from one task to another on this done alternative. Next, visual attention. Visual attention make use of the sensory organs, eyes or paying attention as certain detail. Visual attention pay the attention of the detail in the input are the received by the eyes only, blur out all other stimulus which present in environment. Visual attention is put to use in case in advertising and reading. Next and last one, auditory attention. This form of attention pay attention only the sense of hearing only. Paying attention to an important announcement can be example for auditory attention. Auditory can visual attention both function is conjunction with the each other. These type of attention. Okay class, thank you.